Oh my gosh, dude. Freaking tail. Oh my gosh. Dude, what the heck? Why today? Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We are out here on the California Delta fishing the Wild West Kayak Trail. I believe this is their second stop. Haven't been here since last year. Heard the bite's been kind of weird. We got a good tide. It's supposed to be outgoing high tide in the morning, so you got to really capitalize on that morning bite. Just gonna go out here and explore a few stretches, maybe back up and leave to a second spot. Oh my god, there's a sea lion right there already. I don't think they'll attack me. I hope not. Jesus. Get out of here. Let me get out of here real quick. Holy smokes. Yeah, he's way down there somewhere now. Anyways, we're out here practicing. Hopefully we figure something out. The tournament starts tomorrow. So, yep, wish me luck. Trying to get it dialed in. It's so difficult. Got the skunk out the boat. This guy was way out here on the edge of the weed line. All right. Let's see if we can repeat that. Threw it out there and didn't even touch it. As soon as I pulled up, I tapped it. There you Oh, man. Small ones, my line was just like tap, tap, tap. Usually the big ones won't do that. Just all you'll feel is just a mushy bite, and it'll get heavy, especially with the Wacky Rig Senko. Might just be a drop shot deal. There you go. Oh, another little rat. Jeez. Man. Alright, where are we at? 9? Is it 9 already? Nope, it's already 10. So we're pretty much at the bottom of the tide already. Gosh. I haven't even figured anything out. I gotta go find some protected area, flip some docks, marina. Alright, time to get out of here. Oh my gosh, dude. Freaking tank. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, what the heck? Why? Why today? It's like a 4-pounder. Love these spare point hook, the GP finesse hooks. Look at that, it is not coming off. There we go. Gosh, I was not expecting that at all. $19.25. Oh my gosh, that's a good fish. Wow. Okay, there are some big fish in here. It's what I was looking for, but I wasn't trying to catch him. Oh my god, it's a big old dead striper down there. Probably a freaking sea lion that came in and ate him. Oh my gosh. You see that? That's another. Oh, there's 2 of them. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright. Spot definitely has some nice one. Oh my god. Just a little one. Alright. Just a little rat.
God. Looks like the tide's starting to switch and starting to come back in. The tide being so low, these fish are right in the middle of the channel, maybe just along the edge of these grass. I'm seeing some big ones just cruising right in the middle. Nope, that was just a bunch of grass. Oh my God. Why do they feel so big when they're not? Well, at least we're starting to catch some. Not gonna win a tournament, but it's a good sign. Oh, there we go. Bunch of rats in here. Dude, they're fat. Dude, what are they feeding on? I'm telling you, man, once it's hooked like that, dude, there's no way you can pop it out. Such an awkward way to pop that hook off. These GP finesse hooks by Spare Point, I love them. Seems like the only fish were right here in this little deep spot before it got shallow. Well, that means there's no big ones back here. There's way too many small fish. I gotta get out of here. Don't have much time left, and I have not figured anything out other than trying to hit up all the marinas. There's one right there. A pair. Ain't nobody coming back here, so I guess if I really need that fish. Oh, she's big. I just want to see if she'll bite.
Alright guys, practice is over. Didn't really figure anything out other than just to fish the marina and hopefully get the right bite. Fished a lot of other places and there weren't fish, or there were small fish. I think for tomorrow my game plan is just to hit the marinas early in the morning, hopefully run into a few big ones.
Once the sun's high up, start flipping sinkos underneath all these docks, and hopefully get a big one to bite it.
So that's the game plan for tomorrow. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
Oh my god! That's two good ones I just lost the last 30 minutes. Dang it.